Today we're going to review how to use Resonate for media planning strategy. In just a few easy steps, you'll know where to allocate your media spend for your clients' target audiences across all channels and platforms. The first step is to define the audience you want to reach. In this example, let's say you want to understand where to reach millennial parents. We'll go to the Segmentation Center and build this audience using Resonate elements, millennials that have children. The next step is to go to the media planning report to get a high-level view of channel engagement. We can quickly identify that the top 5 channels for millennial parents are traditional television, streaming television, social media, internet video, and radio. You can see engagement levels by channel by looking at the light, medium, or heavy shading on the bars, or by changing to the unstacked view. To learn more about how these engagement levels are defined, you can go to the glossary by clicking on the information icon. For example, heavy television engagement is defined as 31 plus hours a week. We want to focus on channels with high index and high composition with medium to heavy engagement. For example, you can see that a good portion of our traditional TV engagement is light, 38%, and the indexes are all under 120, so we wouldn't want to focus on traditional TV. Our medium engaged audience on internet videos has a high composition of 25%, and they are over-indexing in this category as well. Our audience is also very engaged on streaming television, but they're not over-indexing, so it's better to look at the internet videos audience. Now that we have an overview of our audience's engagement by channel, we will go to the media consumption report to dive a little deeper. Since our audience is heavily engaged with internet videos, let's take a closer look at the top apps by category that our audience uses the most. Photo and video service apps and music players and storage apps for our audience is where we want to focus on our targeting. Now let's say we want to go even deeper beyond the curated reports. For example, let's learn more about our audience's television streaming media consumption, since that was also a high level of engagement. In the Analytics tab, we'll go to the Media category, and from here we can learn more about which streaming services they use, where they watch, and their TV watching habits. Within minutes, you're armed with the knowledge of where to reach millennial parents. You can even target this audience directly from the Resonate Ignite platform on the channels they use most, and incorporate what you've already learned about this audience into your strategy. Now we can reach the right people at the right time and place with the right message.